Hi friends, welcome back. We're now going to show you how to create your request for repairs straight out of our home inspection report. It's pretty dang cool. So we are back to our homepage of the home inspection. Again, on the left-hand side, you've got your table of contents, which you can jump around to. At the top, we already talked about this. We're at the home screen. On the top right, you've got report tools. You'll click on that and then select Repair Request Builder, and it will open up to all of the red and orange findings within the report. So you're just going to, at the top, you can change the text, but right here you can select all, which is what we're in. You can look for only the red and orange items, or you can do just the red items. I'm going to stay on all for this purpose. So you will just go through, and whichever items you want to ask for either a credit or the seller to repair, you're going to check that, select the check. So let's go ahead and check this one. And let's just say, I'm just going to make this up as I go, you're going to ask for a $300 credit on this one. And then on this one, you're going to ask, it says trim foliage away from walls. We're just going to make a comment that says seller to trim foliage away, from walls. Then we're going to go down, and let's say you want to have a credit for this one. We're going to ask for a $200 credit. And on this one, you want the seller to repair the damaged wood. So seller to repair damaged wood. We'll do one more. On this one, we will ask for a $300 credit. I'm just doing this so you guys can see examples. So let's just say that's what you wanted to ask for. At the very top, you can click Preview. It will show you what it will look like. So you're going to see the item. It'll refer to the section of the report in which you're asking. It'll show you the color of the finding, what it was, the inspector's exact comments, as well as the photos, and what exactly you're asking for. In this case, it's a $300 credit. The next one, it'll again show you the section of the report, what it is, the inspector's comments, the inspector's photos, and what it is you're asking from the seller. So it'll just go down, and then at the very bottom right, you can see View as PDF. I'm going to click on that, I think. And voila, you now have a repair request list with very clear communication. Each of the items, exactly where it's found in the report, what the item was, the inspector's comments, the inspector's photos, and what exactly it is you're asking for. At the bottom, it'll give you a grand total for the dollar credit requested, but then you've got those individual comments on the right-hand side for the items that you just asked for repair. I hope this helps. It's a pretty cool tool.